A site inspection at the open cast mine. This amid a surge of COVID-19 cases at mines in Sekhukhune and the Waterberg district. There have been no cases at the Mogalakwena mining complex since its reopening, but Anglo-American Platinum has reported one case at its Amandelbelt coal mine in Thabazimbi. Anglo-American Platinum operations have been increased to 80% of production.
I think as far as the scale of activity of our mines are concerned, it's important to note that we have been allowed by government and the regulations to ramp up our open pit operations to 100% and our underground operations to 50%. Our approach, though, is one of risk, and we have done risk assessments around our mines. We've done risk assessments around our employees, understanding where they're coming through from, and also the vulnerability of certain of our employees. And that is what we're taking as our guide to ramp up. So to that extent, Mogalakwena here, who's allowed to go to 100%, we are still running at below 80%.
58 of coronavirus cases in Limpopo are at the mines.
We are visiting a number of mines just to check on the level of compliance and see as to what is it that we can assist them with in terms of checking up their compliance. And then in case they are not complying, there will be repercussions also. But our observation since we came here, if you may ask me that question, is that most 90, if not 93% of the things that we wanted to see, we are happy with.
On Friday, Limpopo had recorded 120 cases and 3 deaths. Earlier this week, the Premier announced that the province was ready to move to level 3 of the lockdown. Katle Khonyoni, SABC News, Mokopane.